Hello, I'm Tatsuya Endo. I'm the CEO of Fast Space Incorporated Japan. We provide brand new wind turbines and aim to make them the world baseload power plant. The world is striving carbon neutrality, and Russia has invaded Ukraine. This has caused energy prices to skyrocket around the world. The International Energy Agency estimated that wind turbines will hold the top share of the electricity market in the future. Through my hobby, paragliding, I realized that the wind speed was very fast in the high airspace. I thought that if there was a tall tower, wind turbine could be used as a baseload power plant. While working at JAXA, I obtained a personal patent to design a tall tower. Before I explain our product, I have a question for you. If I ask you to elevate a car to a height of 3 meters here, what do you think is the best method? We think an inflatable structure is the best way. It is made of an air-filled membrane that is cheap, lightweight, and easy to carry. This Q&A gives us one insight. Without air, the load cannot be supported. With air, the load can be supported. This fact shows us that air can be used as a structure. From this insight, we have a patented pressure structure. By using our structure, existing tower can be made not only higher, but cheaper. We have tested a 10 cm diameter breadboard model at the laboratory level through 2021. More than 200 cases were tested using the radius thickness ratio and length radius ratio as parameter. We have received a Japanese grant of $1.6 million and conducted 1/4 model test. We are currently testing our safety measures in case of pressure release. It's still confidential, but if you are interested in, please contact us. The size of wind turbine is strictly determined by the trade-off with cost. Our structure disrupts the traditional relationship between cost and size. In recent years, some of Europe's wind farms have been reducing the cost of wind turbines by increasing their sizes. In the future, it is expected that wind power costs will be further reduced by increasing their sizes more. But as you might know, it is easier said than done. As you can see broken line, that a conventional case, cost increases with the cube of height, thus limiting the economical size of the product. But as you can see solid line that are our pressure structure, we can reduce the amount of material and lower the cost of generating electricity. If we raise current tower by 50 meters, we can expect a 40% increase in power generation or a 20% increase in investment cost. A higher average wind speed increases the amount of electricity generated and also the operating rate. Thus, by realizing our tower, we can make them the world baseload power plant. This slide shows why now. Wind power has long been applied only in a few windy regions. Nevertheless, many wind farms have been subsidized by the government to make them business viable. In recent years, the cost of wind power has declined rapidly due to the increasing size of wind turbines. And for the first time in 2018, a vendor bid on electricity at a selling price without subsidy. This slide shows our first business model. First, we received investment from a VC or CVC. Secondly, we developed a prototype tower with wind turbine maker. Then, we carry out field testing as proof of concept of the new tower. After testing, we deliver electricity through a power generation company, recovering our initial investment for field testing. With this POC model, we can keep the investment risk very small. This slide shows our next business model. Based on the result of the POC, we will accelerate the iterative process by obtaining loans from banks using the installed wind turbine as a collateral. Considering US wind farm regulations, a 20 MW wind farm is considered as a unit. By building 3 wind farms over 10 years, the corporate value is expected to be 24 times the investment. This is our business. We are looking for partners and investors in the electricity sales business in step 1. Please feel free to contact us through link shown. Thank you.